Hello everyone, in this video we will see how you can use the chatbot or copilot feature of KushoAI. So using our chatbot you will be able to use it to do various tasks. For example, like if you have some questions around KushoAI, so you can ask it, or if you want to create some new test suites or make it custom ones, you will be able to do it easily with that. So to get started, for example, like if I click on the use copilot button over here, so these are some of the examples that I have, or like some example prompts that you can use, that how you can import a postman collection or a full test case list, that kind of things. Or if you want to add tests in your test suite, um, so first you have to click on any API that you have and then click on the use copilot button. So it will give you some example prompts as well, so you can take some examples from it and like structure your prompt around it. I have this prompt ready. Write a test where the country code has emojis. So I will just click on enter, and within a couple of seconds it will create me a test where the country code has, for example, some emojis in it. Yeah. So it has already generating some tests for it. As you can see over here, it's loading, and there we go. So it is added by me or containing emojis. So you can see it has US and the smiley emoji with it. So yeah, this is how you can use our Copilot feature, and I hope you like this video, and I will see you in the next one.